you can see Brooke's nicest asset here that we've been taking care of for years. You've done a lot of work for that asset, haven't you?
I'll tell you what. I have a beautiful car in townhome.
Paid by that asset.
Yes.
Okay, I got one more adjustment that I'm going to do on your cossets here. I know you said you were going to charge me last time.
Yeah, you better watch it.
There you go.
You could sell those fans. You know that.
That's it.
Yeah.
Right there. Yep. Yeah. Whip it right in my hand. Perfect. Versified rotary brake on Brooke Adams' neck.
Wow.
Alrighty. Just breathe normal for me. There we go. Yes, ma'am.
My
Go ahead,
God.
slide down that way a little bit.
Oh,
I almost pulled you off the table. Did you feel that all the way
almost
down?
lost my lashes. Oh.